It's been brought to my attention that there's an imposter using my name and profile picture to scam people here on YouTube. It's very important for me to inform everyone that I don't share my personal WhatsApp contacts on YouTube, either in the comment section or wherever on my channel. You wouldn't see any of my numbers there. So if you're currently chatting with the particular number I'm displaying on the screen right now, I'm in no way associated with this person. This particular scammer is using my name, using my profile picture to chat to people, dropping comments in the comment section. Especially if you are seeing this particular comment I'm displaying on the screen saying chat me on WhatsApp, saying WhatsApp helpline, I'm in no way associated with this particular message. This person is using my name and putting my profile picture there to deceive people. And I've stated times and number that in so many of my previous videos that I don't share my personal contacts on YouTube. The only way you can contact me is through my social media handle on Instagram and on Facebook and also on LinkedIn. So please and please, if you're chatting with anyone on WhatsApp, asking you to pay for this, pay for that, I'm saying now that I'm in no way associated with this. Now, a lady contacted me this morning while I was at work and she was accusing me of scamming her of 10,000 naira. Imagine 10,000 naira. Now, then I had to ask her some questions to really understand where this accusation was coming from. So this is a screenshot of our chat on Instagram. So she chatted me and said she went on one of my videos on Instagram and drop this message. Is this Daniel? Is this your WhatsApp line? 081-8237-9491. Please confirm before I get scammed. Then the moment she sent the message, I was at work. I had to excuse myself immediately, less than 5 minutes. I responded and said, no, please, it's a scam. So people have actually been chatting up this number. However, it has nothing to do with me. I don't share my WhatsApp contact on Instagram, anywhere for you to chat me up. I have a way of you contacting me personally, which I'll be sharing later in the video. Then she later responded in 1 minute later and said, oh, they've collected 10,000 naira from me already. Honestly, I don't ask people to make transfer. I've never sent my account number to anyone on YouTube. I've got over 13,000 subscribers as of the time I'm making this video, over 500,000 views, and I've never for once sent my account number, my bank account number to anyone on YouTube. So please and please, it's very important for you to know that I'm in no way associated with the scam. So if you're chatting anybody up and you're seeing my profile picture there, you're seeing my name on the description, please and please, that is not me. I don't send messages to people. I don't ask people to chat me up by putting my number on the comment section in any of my videos. So please and please debunk if you're having any conversation, any business deal with this particular number I'm displaying on the screen. Please and please be informed that I'm in no way associated with this particular number. This lady that came on Instagram to accuse me of scamming her of 10,000 naira said in the comment section saying that, Daniel, you replied someone's comments on your YouTube video and you put that number as your helpline. Then when I chatted you up, you linked me to someone that would help me get a care job so that your name wouldn't show in the account details. Can you imagine? How does that make any sense? I told this same person to send me the screenshots of the transaction showing the beneficiary's name. She has refused to send the message saying that I put my number as the upline. I've never done that. I would never do that because I know the implication of putting my number out there. So please and please, if you're getting anybody sending you personal messages or sending you, putting under your comment a number that should contact me with my profile picture on it, please and please, that's not me. The only way you can contact me personally to have my WhatsApp number, it's not even my personal WhatsApp number, it's my business WhatsApp number, is to go through my paid service, which I've put the link in every of my videos. I've also put the link at the description of this channel. So please and please, I don't put my number out there as helpline for any reason. Please be informed. On the description of my channel, I've been able to create links on how you can contact me personally on my social media platform, on Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, and people have been sending messages. I've been trying to respond as much as I can. I've got hundreds of messages coming in on this social media platform every day, aside from the ones from my personal businesses, aside from the one coming from YouTube and some other of my engagements, and it's quite difficult to respond to everyone. So what I do basically is just come online sometimes and respond randomly as much as I can, and I've been able to really help a lot of people from so many of my social media handles. And now I can't respond to everyone, obviously, because I've also got so many things going on with me. I've got my 2 online businesses, I've got my studies in the UK, I've got my part-time jobs, I've got to create content for you guys also on YouTube. So it's quite difficult for me to respond to everyone, which is the reason why I decided to create a paid service, so where you can actually chat me up directly, have a video call conversation and audio call conversation with me to ask all the questions you've got as regards to the UK. I put a link in my description where I could chat me up. I created a way for you to chat me one-on-one, which comes with a fee. So that's the only way you can chat me up privately. I don't drop my WhatsApp number anywhere for you to chat me up. The only way to chat me up is to go to my the description of this channel, check out the link where I place chat with me, make payments. It's actually a very small token. Most of the feedback I've gotten from the number of people that have contacted me on this particular paid service is that they got a lot of value more than what they paid for. So that's the only way you can chat me up. I don't just drop my number anywhere for you to chat me up. If not, my phone is just going to blow up. I've got a lot of messages coming up for my businesses that I actually struggle to attend to. I have to get someone to help with some of those messages. So if you want to chat me up as regards to your relocation plan, you have questions bothering you and I've not been able to respond to you on Instagram, it's not because I'm ignoring you, it's because I've got lots of those messages there. So you can just click on the link where would chat with me, make payments. It's actually a very small token, and let's have a conversation. It's going to be a 30-minute video conversation of audio, whichever one you find convenient, and we have a chat. Please and please, if you are chatting with anyone with my picture or my name, please and please, you need to stop that conversation. You need to stop that transaction, because I'm in no way associated with that particular number. So please be aware of that. So I had to just quickly do this video. I just came out from a 13-hour shift. Like, I'm exhausted right now, but I felt I needed to push out this video out there for you guys to be aware of this, so you don't get scammed, so I don't get accused also for scamming people, which I obviously don't do. So please be informed about that. So this will be the end of this video. If you are coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, I'm sorry you have to come to my channel for the first time with this kind of video. Please click on the red subscribe button to join this growing family. Check out my content and see the amazing content I've got as regards relocation to the UK. And for my tiny subscribers and viewers, please don't get scammed. Thank you for being here. I really do appreciate you guys. So this will be the end of this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.